Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. Have you got the skills and a sweet tooth for the sweet things in life? Poland wants you to join them on a tasty trip in the biscuit packaging business. Look into exciting job possibilities that combine skill, creativity, and a deep understanding of other cultures. Come help us shape the future of biscuit wrapping while you enjoy the warmth and beauty of Poland. Why choose biscuit packaging factory jobs in Poland? The business in Poland that packages cookies is a mix of old and new, making it a unique place to work that values accuracy and creativity. For visitors from other countries, you can add to Poland's long history of making sweets while enjoying the friendliness of the locals. Key features: take part in Poland's rich food history by helping to package well-known biscuit brands that have been around for a long time. Innovative practices. Join a plant that uses cutting-edge technologies and eco-friendly packaging methods and help the industry keep changing. Competitive compensation. People who work in biscuit packaging factories in Poland can expect to make a good hourly wage because employers value their skills and hard work. People who work in this field can expect to make $30 an hour on average. Enjoy a full benefits plan that includes bonuses, health insurance, and other nice extras to make the deal even better. Responsibilities. During your job as a cookie packager, you might be responsible for the following. Make sure the biscuits are carefully packed to keep them fresh and of good quality. Master how to use cutting-edge packing equipment to make the process faster and more efficient. Aesthetic packaging. Make the biscuit packaging look better, which improves the entire customer experience. Working together sweet symphony. Work together with a diverse group of people to meet production goals and go above and beyond quality standards. Job description. You play a big part in the biscuit packing business, and your job is more than just packaging. When you get this job, you will. Guardian of quality. Make sure that strict quality standards are met so that every biscuit that leaves the plant is a treat for customers. Sustainability advocate. Support environmentally friendly packing methods that are in line with Poland's dedication to being environmentally friendly. Keep up with changing technologies and trends in your field to show that you can adapt to the fast-paced world of biscuit packing. Eligibility criteria for international applicants. For foreign applicants to be considered for jobs in a biscuit factory in Poland, they usually need to meet certain requirements, such as proven experience packaging food, ideally in the cookie business, English or Polish language skills, having a valid work pass or being able to work in Poland. How to apply? Start a tasty journey by applying for jobs at a biscuit plant in Poland. You will find the right mix of old and new here, where your skills are valued and your creativity is encouraged. Poland is looking for people who love biscuits and want to help shape the future of the sweets business. Send in your application right away to join the fun world of biscuit packaging. Why choose biscuit packaging factory jobs in Poland? In the biscuit wrapping business, Poland has a unique mix of old world charm and new technology. The country cares about accuracy and innovation, and it wants people to add to its rich culinary history. What is the average hourly wage for biscuit packaging factory jobs in Poland? The average hourly wage in Poland's companies that package cookies is $30, which shows how much their skills and hard work are valued. We hope this information was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to always be notified when we publish new updates.